today I scored a jackpot at the Dollar Tree. Let me show you what I got. So many amazing things, especially those pictures. I really lucked out on the beautiful, colorful prints. Guys, these are my most favorite too. Bless Our Nest with the little succulents. How beautiful is this canvas? Coco, get off this. And the second one, the welcome. How cute is this windmill here with the welcome and like a burlap-like background. It is just so pretty. You know, you would pay like at least $5 for these at the home goods store. These are beautiful and pretty nice quality too. I love it. Just hang them anywhere or attach to one of the wreaths or just put with your decoration. Look how cute. How beautiful is that, guys? Cannot wait to decorate my home with these. I think I found the perfect spot for the welcome windmill sign. What do you guys think? Right here on the table as you walk into my living room. And I love the Bless Our Nest sign. For now, I will leave it here on the shelf behind the sofa. And the next amazing find are these Farmhouse Prints. They're just gorgeous. I love the watering can. We are blessed with the buffalo check in the background. And also love is the best ingredient in a jar. How cute are these guys? I'm thinking about painting the frames cream color and hanging them in my breakfast nook. I just still not sure if they'll go here with the big clock and the big eat sign on the side. What do you guys think? Would you put them here or somewhere else? Let me know. I wonder what is your opinion. And how could I not get this sign? I bake a lot of bread and the secret ingredient is love. So how appropriate is that sign? If you have not tried my bread recipe, guys, I'm going to put a link up above for you. Make sure you check it out. It's so easy and delicious. Make that for your family. They'll love it. And then I picked up two more. Cup of Love. And all I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Isn't that true? They'll go perfectly here with my coffee bar. As you can see, the blue background matches my walls. One thing that bothers me is that brown and gold picture frame in one of the pictures. I have to change it, and I have to change it now. And it takes only a little bit of the chalk spray paint, and right away looks much better. I'm just going to touch it up with some sandpaper, distress it a little bit, and the difference is amazing. I like it so much better now, don't you guys? And I saw this cute sign. I thought of my sister because she has a beach decorated home. Will be perfect for her. And I bought two more. Glass is broken, but I'm planning to use these for the picture frames. Beautiful white frames for my craft. And then I got this beautiful Easter sign. As you notice, looks like it's on shiplap, and that burlap is just so cute. Then I got an Easter egg, one more. I've done a decoration craft of the egg before and everyone loved it. I need to make some more. I am so excited to show you guys these egg steaks. How cute are these different patterns? Perfect for egg hunt decoration or in front of your house. I am so excited to get all four of them. And I finally found the cross. This is metal steak. It's very nice. I purchased some white lilies and I'm gonna make an Easter craft for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any crafts that I make in the future. And then I'm so happy to find this cross. It is ceramic and it goes perfectly with my home decor. They actually had all different colors there. So I picked up just one, but definitely there's more choices there. And can you believe I found this big word sign for $1? I mean, it's plastic, but still, it's such a nice big size for $1. It's amazing. And they also had Love and XOXO. And let me show you the flowers before Coco destroys everything. Apparently she's really into flowers like me. What can I say? Apple doesn't fall far from the tree, I guess. So I got a whole bunch of purple and pink crocuses. I think they're very good quality for $1. I've been to Michael's recently where I've seen tulips just about that size for $3 a bushel. So I'm very happy to get these, and I'm planning to make a wreath. Tune in later, guys, to see how it comes out. I encourage you to get them if you find them. They won't last long. And then I got some of the mesh ribbon. It's just beautiful tricolor with some silvers in it. I think it's so pretty for $1. You can't go wrong. You can always make something out of it. I bought a matching ribbon and also this onion grass. How beautiful is that? I think I'll create something out of it, but not sure what yet, but stay tuned. And I'm sure you've seen this ribbon and these decorations before. It's just good to have neutral decor on hand, whatever you're making. It always comes handy. And this is another exciting find today, guys. These tablecloths, gray and yellow plaid. I absolutely love these colors. They're gonna come handy when I craft in my kitchen and also when we go out to a picnic to cover a picnic table. They come with some thin flannel backing, definitely better quality than those one-time use tablecloths. You can get them round, like for my kitchen table, or oblong. And this is such a cute find too, guys, this head wrap. It looks so cute on my daughter and keeps the hair out of the way. I was thinking about the beach, but now I regret I didn't get one for myself for gardening. I have to go back look for more. Then I got these cute socks for her, Frappuccino Queen. Of course, she loves her Starbucks. So I'm so happy to find this cute little socks for her. And here's a great find for the boys. Whoopee cushion, shaped like a emoji poop. And also Poodoo. It's this squishy goo poo. I think boys will love that. Alright guys, and the last item of today's shopping haul that turned into a DIY is this beautiful spring banner. I took it out to show you guys. Turned out the letter P was turned backwards, and that's how it all started. I figured since I have to take all of these down to fix one letter, I might as well change the bright ribbon to a more neutral jute and tone it a little bit down. And let me show you guys how I did it. I think this is a beautiful banner for $1 that could be transformed into something even better. Let's do it. All we need is just some lace, jute string, and hot glue gun. So first take everything off the string and keep it in order to make it easier. And let me add, guys, this is such a nice quality. I cannot believe this was just $1. Pay attention how the string was inserted. We're gonna do it the same way. There's this cute detail around the flowers, so just remove those dots. Okay, so you start threading the string from the top, behind, and to the top again. And as you take the next one, you feed it through the top, behind, and again through the top. When done, make sure you leave a lot of extra string for tying, and I still have to apply those little flowers at the end too, so I'm leaving a lot extra. Then I decide to decorate each piece at the top with a piece of lace. So I'm measuring the lace and I'm cutting exact measurement for each. And attach the lace to the top with some hot glue. Then I decided to attach some cherry blossoms. I flipped the banner, and over there where there's flower holes, I'm gonna attach those cherry blossoms. The only thing that I have to glue some jute string in the middle so the flowers will be able to hang there. So I use a little bit of hot glue and I attach one string vertically and one horizontally to create a cross. And then I'm gonna put a flower right in the middle there. And this is how it looks. I think it's cute and worth the effort. And then I decide to decorate the flowers at the end with little lace bows. I think they come out so cute. And here's the look at the final result. This is how the banner looks on my fireplace. I love it so much, guys. I think this is what spring is all about, all these beautiful bright colors. And I really like how it complements the eggs that I have over there on the shelf with the cherry blossoms and the topiaries that I made previously. This all just pulls together and makes a beautiful decoration. Can you believe it was just $1? And if it wasn't for that letter, I don't know if I'll be changing it. I guess I would, but maybe not so quickly. And I'm so glad I had a chance to share it with you. Alright guys, this is it for the Dollar Tree haul today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you like, don't procrastinate. Run out to your Dollar Tree because this stuff won't last long. Have fun guys, take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye!